In this video, I introduce you to Alayna AI, a platform that stands out as one of the finest tools for teachers and educators. Alayna AI offers a number of remarkable features that make it different from other tools. With Alayna, you can create content that is not only highly usable but also tailored to your specific needs. It's like having an assistant with you all the time, whether you're making lessons, plans for your units, activities, and lots more. And guess what? It even supports different languages, so you can make content in the language that you want. Let me show you how it works. Starting with Alayna is easy. Just go to alayna.us and click the Start for Free button. You will quickly notice how user-friendly it is. On the left side, you will see the main features, each offering a range of subcategories. Before we dive into the features, I want to give a big shout out to Alayna AI for sponsoring this video. Their support makes it possible to share these awesome tools with you. In the chat part, you can ask the AI any question. For example, if you need book ideas for second graders about being kind, just type it in and you will get some great suggestions. This is super helpful. Alayna is great because it can also understand your files. You can upload your lesson plans, bring in documents from your computer or Google Drive, or even use links from the internet. The AI handles all of this really well. And if you like talking instead of typing, there's a text-to-speech option which makes things even easier. Now, if you are not sure where to start, Alayna has these helpful prompts. Just click one and it will create content for you quickly. For example, if you click on a prompt about making flashcards, it gives you instructions and you can tell the chat what you specifically need. I actually enjoy looking through the prompt library because it gives me so many ideas. It's like having a brainstorm partner right there with you, which you don't get with many AI tools. Plus, you can look back at your chat history on the right side to see past materials you have worked on. Now, let's dive into the heart of the program, the Tools section. Here, you can create lessons, unit plans, learning activities, syllabi, quizzes, and more with ease. Let's go through some examples. Let's say you want to make a lesson on a specific topic. Just put in the topic, the grade level, and the subject. You can also upload your existing content. We'll look into this shortly. Then you choose the instructional model. These are common models used in teaching. Just choose one and click Get Started. One standout feature that I have never seen in other AI tools is the built-in standards. Alayna helps you align your content with standards easily. You have two options. Either browse from thousands of standards or let the AI automatically detect your standards. It can even populate them for you. This is a massive plus because the AI works hand in hand with you, making your content more usable and valuable. Once you have set up everything up, just hit Generate Lesson Plan. And that's not all. In the next step, the AI provides suggestions to improve your lesson plan. This is really helpful. You can even have a chat with the AI if you want to make changes right away. I like how each tool has its own special features that are super useful. Let's look at the English Language Arts Lesson Generator. You insert similar input like the topic, grade, and a web attachment. Here, I asked it to make a lesson on character analysis for 4th graders and attached a lesson plan from the web. It's cool how it takes the web articles and comes up with main ideas, keywords, and even suggestions for starting the lesson and questions to discuss. Alayna lays out the steps for you. If we click on step 2, it creates class activities like quizzes, flashcards, games, and literary analysis. All of the tools are great, My favorites are the Learning Activity Generator because it gives me interesting activity ideas that make my lessons more engaging and meet my objectives. I also like the Rewrite Text tool. You put in a text and ask it to change it to the level you are teaching. This is super helpful for making content that fits different levels of students. And for all of the tools, you can copy the document, download it, or save it straight to your drive, thanks to the built-in drive feature. Speaking of the drive, let's take a closer look inside. Let's say you are not happy with a part of a document. No problem. Just select it, click on AI, and you'll see options like summarizing, changing the tone, translating, and more. It's like having an AI editor with you. And don't forget, you can share these documents as links, which makes working with others really easy. The Shared Drive feature highlights Alayna's collaborative capabilities. You can add other teachers to your workspace and share content easily. Plus, you can work on things together in real time, which is great for teaming up with other users. So, what makes Alayna special is the fact that you can create customized, usable content with the help of AI at every step. It's user-friendly and designed for collaboration. Alayna AI also offers language support, allowing you to work in different languages. When signing up, simply choose your preferred language. Here, I chose Arabic. It really did translate everything. I highly recommend trying out Alayna AI. I'm sure you will find it super useful. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing for more content. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.